Job of the day, we're putting a fender on the passenger side of this enclosed. I brought silicone, so I'm going to be able to fill this hole in. I don't know why that piece of wire, I don't want that to short out and blow the fuse on this truck, so I'm going to get that clear of that and then silicone that big old hole. Put this tire, or put this wheel well on. First part mounted, roughly the same. We're pretty even on the tires. 5 3/4. I need to measure from a different side. This front needs to come down. There we go. Just match it with the trim. And it should be evened out. Oh, crackers. Forgot to take the back off. I got the back piece torn off now. Now I can put the fender in where I need to put it in. Centered up in the center of the tire. It's good. Push this out to fender hole. To the trim. Inside of the trim. Got it. On there. It's good. Lift up this side a little bit. Take that center one out again. And in. Yeah, take the center one out. Re-drill. It's putting a lot of pressure on the back end of it. Good, good. Centered, centered. Good, good. Put a couple more self-tappers in the uprights. Let my extension go. Extension, where'd you go? Fender's on. I'm gonna put the LED marker light on there. And I brought silicone to silicone that inner portion of the fender. Man, I really need to check my warehouse when they pull parts for me. That's insane. I ordered 2 lefts, 2 rights. And of course, the only one that I have are left hands. And I need a right hand for this. So I'm just gonna put this on. Amber's gonna be going towards the back and Red's gonna be going to the front, but at least I'll have a marker in the middle of the trailer. That's infuriating. I got marker light on. Stripping and putting a butt connector on for the marker. Oh shoot, that's on. It's a little extended, so I'm gonna trim this. Trimmed and hook up. Good, and I'm just gonna put the ground on the post or the self-tapper that I use to mount the fender on, if I can get to it now. Crackers. Oh, baby. I know what I can do. Grab this, do it by hand. Okay, that's out. Ground wire stripped. Eyelet on the end of it. Good. And put the self-tapper back on. Through the eyelet into the hole and tighten. Let's check, make sure the light works. Got my box plugged in. I am getting good lights on the fender. How about everything else? Good lights on the fender. Good lights on the rear. Left turn. Got good left turn, right turn. Got good right turn. Everything else is on. Yes, yes. Perfect. Okay, lights work. Lights are good. I'm gonna shrink wrap butt connectors. Testers off. This front axle looks bent. I'm gonna measure it. Yeah, definitely got hit. I'm gonna measure it and get a quote for a new axle for him. But lights going on. Clean up my tools. Blow all the steel off, metal off, and then silicone everything. Fender's on. I'm gonna silicone the top and silicone the holes. Fill the outside with silicone. That's good. Fill the top with silicone. That's good. Put it on the bottom as well. That's good. And run it over the top of the fender. I am not a silicone professional, but when it's done, it will look good. Got the gap out this side a little bit. Hit it with a little welding back and forth. Looks like this siding got hit. Absolutely beautiful. Get the crack a little bit. Fill her in. Grab a rag. Nice and easy over the top. And then just level out the top that I welded in. Good. Clean up a little bit of the excess. That's good, that's good. Back over. Clean the edge up just a bit. Clean the edge up on the back side. Put a little more silicone in that one little divot right there. Yeah, there we go, that looks better. And run back over it. One smooth motion, boom, got it. And run back over it. One smooth motion. And got it. Fender silicone, fender's on. This job's done. New fender, new light. I'm not charging it for the light since it's the wrong one. When I come back up here next, when I work on another trailer, if this is here, I'll just swap it out. But no charge for that light. I just wanted to get something on there that worked for him. New fender, everything's wired up, all lights work. I did measure, or I did get the tag for his axle, so I'm gonna get a quote for an axle for him, send that over. But fender's done, and I'm on to the next.